In this video, I'm about to show you how to create landing pages in Figma. First, go to your web browser and search for Figma. Now open the first link to visit the official website. To do this, enter your name, which will show you up in Figma files, and click Continue. Next, select the kind of work and continue. In the other step, choose the properties that describe your work path and continue. Then you can invite some collaborators to your team. Afterwards, select the option which brings you to Figma and continue. Now select the products used before Figma, continue, and choose your plan. The starter plan is free, a professional plan at $12 per month, or an organization plan at $45 per month for Figma. Click Continue. After selecting, choose the option you want, such as Design with Figma. Once completed, select your design, such as website, and get started. First, enter the landing page title by selecting it, or you can enter it on the left tab. After the title, more tools are on the right side to design your page. On the left side, enter the layer name by selecting it on the page. You can begin designing and customizing your page by entering a new name. It allows you to edit everything on the page, including text, images, buttons, headers, and footers. Adjust color, fonts, and images, and then export your design to share with others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.